Hi friends, in this video, I am going to explain how to extract RAR files from WinRAR unknown format or damaged archive. I used this trick to solve the archive is either in unknown format or damaged issue, and I have also safely extracted all the files from corrupt WinRAR archive. If you watch this video completely, in just 5 minutes you will learn this trick by yourself. Download the WinRAR extract tool using the link in description. Follow the steps to install WinRAR on your computer. Use the browse option to select the folder to install WinRAR files. Read the license agreement, and if you agree with it, click install. You can also pause and resume the installation process anytime. Here you can select the file types associated with WinRAR. For easy access, add WinRAR to desktop as shortcut. Then proceed with OK. WinRAR installation is almost over. Read help to know about the basic functions and features of WinRAR application. You can also view the license detail to know about terms and condition of WinRAR. Now press Done to complete the installation process. File Explorer shows the list of WinRAR files. You can also see the path where WinRAR is installed on your computer. To explain how to extract RAR files, I have sample file named as document. When you open the file using WinRAR application, you can see list of files compressed in that WinRAR file. Now click on Extract and select the folder to save the output file. Open the destination folder. Here you will find the RAR file documents. Let us open and check this Word, Excel documents. When you open the documents, check whether all of its content is present and the file is corruption-free. Both the documents contains the original content without any corruption. So the WinRAR file is healthy and the files inside WinRAR is also healthy and functioning properly. But sometimes you will come across errors that won't allow you to extract files from WinRAR. One such instant is the archive is either in unknown format or damaged error. This won't allow you to extract RAR files. In this kind of scenario, I recommend you to use a WinRAR repair tool to fix corrupt WinRAR file. Now I am going to use Remo Repair RAR software to safely repair WinRAR unknown format or damaged error in WinRAR file. This software repairs WinRAR 5.50, WinRAR 5.40, and earlier version. Use Browse option to open the corrupt RAR file from your computer to repair WinRAR file. Then click Repair. Here you can find the list of files available in the WinRAR file. Next step of the process is to choose the destination folder to save the repaired WinRAR file. For easy access, create a new folder on your computer and save the healthy WinRAR file. Click on Save button to complete the WinRAR unknown format or damaged archive repair. By default, software opens the File Explorer. Now you can extract the repaired file using WinRAR application. Check the files of the WinRAR archive. Now click on Extract and save the file in desired location. Close the WinRAR application and open the extracted file. Check all the files are opening with respective file application. The WinRAR repair process have not affected any files of the WinRAR archive. There is no corruption or damage to any individual file. Now you have successfully learned to repair WinRAR unknown format or damaged error. Remo Repair RAR software is built to repair. The archive is either in unknown format or damaged error, or other errors that stops you from extracting files from a WinRAR archive. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helps you. If you have any question, kindly leave a comment. Subscribe for more videos.